Okay, welcome to Mr. Brown's revision session on mechanics. This time we'll look at part 5, which is Newton's laws and car safety. Okay, so Newton's laws, first of all, you need to know the definitions of each of them. The first one is an object will remain at rest or at constant speed, velocity, unless a resultant force acts. The second one is just F equals ma. What this means is a resultant force causes an object to accelerate. And the third one is if object B exerts a force on object A, then object A will exert a force on object B. Now, whatever textbook you use, there are a number of different wordings to these definitions. You just need to make sure you know a relevant one for yourself. Now, part of this topic relies on you, requires you to apply this F equals ma to various situations, whether it be towing caravans, looking at rockets taking off, looking at lifts in operation. Whatever the application is, the first thing I suggest you do is obviously look at what the motion of that object is and then work out what the resultant force must be for that situation, whether it is accelerating, decelerating, what forces, then apply F equals ma. Now you also need to be able to talk about car safety. Now just a couple of quick examples of how car safety, the safety designs in cars are airbags, crumple zones, I guess even the dashboard being made up of soft material, not wood. Now all of these work by just increasing the impact time. If you increase the impact time, if you look at the acceleration equation, acceleration equals change in velocity over time. If you increase that impact time, then the acceleration is going to decrease. And if the acceleration decreases, looking at Newton's second law, F equals ma, the resultant force decreases. Now, the key thing about this is you must be able to apply it to a number of different situations. Past paper questions in the past have involved cricket balls, but I suppose boxing gloves, anything like that could be used in order for you to apply this sort of car safety to explain what's going on. Okay, past paper questions, not much to this one. So question 3, January 2003, and question 5, June 2002. Try them both.